To another video over here, Adrian Garcia with my cousin over here, Giovanni Garcia. He's fixing to go back to Ballinger. That sucks. I miss you.
No quería verme enferma. Yo
Okay, this is getting awkward. Okay,
y
so anyways, guys, so he didn't believe me. I had a YouTube channel, right? So I gotta prove him wrong. You know what I'm saying? I hate to do this to my little bro, but I got to. But anyways, guys, so yeah, so we're gonna do a fidget spinner. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back again. Okay, I'm here again. So first fidget spinner, we are going to be. Wow. Pretty cool. It is pretty cool. It spins pretty well, but it's also sharp. Now, if you hold, excuse me, Jim. If you see the bearings, they're freaking small. Right, Gia.
El estetoscopio, todo, él estaba...
Sorry for my language, guys.
¿Tú crees que él estaría contento?
Sí. Sí.
También tiene la última foto.
But anyways, guys, so yeah.
La foto. Como diría yo, no sé si...
As you guys can see.
Media hora antes.
El retrato aparece con 3 amigos que esta noche fue a la discoteca.
Granny! You're on YouTube. She's on YouTube, guys. Hey, but she actually looks pretty good. She's fixing to go to the mall, buy some perfume. But yeah, guys, so there's that one. My next one is so freaking special. It will hypnotize you. That looks like an illusion. It does, right? Yeah. That's what I said when I got it. You can see the little white lines in there. And when you spin it fast, you can hear it. Now I guess y'all got to tell me what the bangs look like. I'm fixing them demonstrate. Look how small these suckers are. Like, I don't think y'all guys can see them because they're so small.
Eso es todo lo que tenemos desde el regreso ahora con ustedes a los estudios.
Oh yeah, guys. They're so small. So small, guys. But anyways, guys, so yeah, there's that. Yeah, got that one. Oh guys, so yeah, it's already 3 minutes, 3:07. Pretty cool fidget spinner. The cases, it just comes with the regular case, the styrofoam. There's another one is a zipper. It's a plastic one, but I can get it. Alright, go get it. Because it's pretty good. So here it is. You just basically put it in there. I think I guys know what. But anyways, guys, so yeah. So basically, you just put this fidget spinner inside there. And you close it. You just basically zip it up. Voila. And then this one. Ow. You just put it in there. Yeah, it's really sharp, guys. I want to get it sharper though. Let's go. Bye, girl. It's for mom. But yeah, guys, so my aunt just left. So I think, oh yeah, I forgot. And here is a burnt biscuit.
Y también le saluda con mucho gusto Héctor.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end this with the bye. Guys, don't take that out.